and I'll be doing a denim DIY if you haven't noticed. Hey YouTube, thank you for joining in. This month is Earth Month. Earth Day is on April 22nd, and I thought that I would start with the outfit that I wore last year, you know, recycle, circular life. Reason why I'm doing this DIY today is because so many people have asked me since I posted around last year this time. Last year for National Thrift Day, I did an event with Housing Works. I will post the link somewhere for you to watch. And we had a massive throwdown thrift party with song and dance and music. Anyway, I got so much buzz about the event, and also a lot of the DMs were like, girl, where'd you get that shirt? I love that shirt. So I thought, let me make a video. And then I forgot. And then literally last week, someone hit me up like, remember that shirt that you wore that time for that thing that you did and you had your shoulders out? You should teach me how to make that shirt. So because I know you all have a pair of jeans in your house that you're just not wearing anymore, go on and get them and a pair of scissors and come on back. You got it yet? Perfect. All you need is an old pair of jeans that you no longer wear. All of my jeans are stretch, so these are stretch, and a pair of scissors. Easy, easy, easy. In order to achieve the crop top look, always turn your jeans inside out. Measure where you'd like your crop top to end, the bottom waist strap. So as you can see, I turned it inside out and then I flipped it upside down. Using my scissors to cut exactly where once I know the exact spot on one leg, I lay it back on the table, fold it up to make sure it's nice and even with the other side when I make the cut. As you can see, I made my two cuts. And now it's just a matter of cutting. So now the middle is completely open. And it's a shirt. I'll try this on for you. Yo, how easy was that? Let me know if this is something that you would try. I know y'all got things around that you're not doing nothing with. Go on and make it something new today. Happy Earth Day. Follow me on Instagram, positive.obsession. Hey.